Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of eco-chic wooden furniture design ideas for your home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Upcycling wooden furniture has become an appealing venture for many homeowners looking to blend style with sustainability. This creative process breathes new life into old or unwanted pieces, transforming them into stunning, eco-chic additions to modern homes. The appeal of upcycling lies not only in the environmental benefits, but also in the opportunity to engage in a fulfilling and artistic endeavor that reflects personal taste and creativity. At its core, upcycling involves taking something that is no longer wanted or needed and repurposing it into a new, functional item. This practice stands in stark contrast to traditional recycling, which often breaks down materials into their base components. Upcycling allows individuals to retain the integrity of the original piece while enhancing its aesthetic and functional qualities. When it comes to wooden furniture, this approach can yield remarkable results, showcasing the beauty of craftsmanship and innovation. One of the most enticing aspects of upcycling wooden furniture is the potential for creativity. Each piece of furniture carries its own history and character, and upcycling invites homeowners to tap into that narrative. Whether it's an old chair, a weathered table, or a set of drawers, the possibilities for transformation are virtually limitless. This process not only encourages imaginative thinking, but also allows individuals to experiment with different techniques, finishes, and styles. The exploration of various design options fosters a sense of ownership over the final product, making the piece truly unique. Moreover, the customization that comes with upcycling enables homeowners to create furniture that perfectly fits their personal style and needs. In a world where mass-produced items dominate the market, upcycled furniture stands out for its individuality. Homeowners can choose colors, textures, and finishes that resonate with their aesthetic preferences, ensuring that each piece complements their existing decor. This level of personalization adds significant value to the furniture, as it becomes a reflection of the owner's taste and lifestyle. The environmental benefits of upcycling are another compelling factor that makes this venture appealing. In an age where sustainability is at the forefront of consumer consciousness, upcycling offers a practical solution to reducing waste. By repurposing old furniture, individuals can divert items from landfills, minimizing their ecological footprint. This aligns with a broader movement towards conscious consumption, where consumers are increasingly seeking ways to make responsible choices. Upcycling not only contributes to environmental sustainability, but also promotes a culture of creativity and resourcefulness. Engaging in upcycling also fosters a sense of community and connection. Many individuals find joy in sharing their projects with others, whether through social media platforms, local workshops, or community events. As people showcase their transformations, they inspire one another to embark on similar journeys. This exchange of ideas and techniques cultivates a supportive environment where creativity flourishes. The sense of camaraderie that develops around upcycling encourages collaboration and learning, enhancing the overall experience. In addition to the creative and environmental aspects, upcycling wooden furniture can also be a financially savvy choice. Purchasing new furniture can be a significant expense, particularly for those furnishing a new home or redecorating on a budget. By upcycling, individuals can save money while still achieving high-quality, custom pieces. The cost of materials for refinishing or repurposing existing furniture is often much lower than buying new, allowing homeowners to invest in their projects without breaking the bank. This financial aspect makes upcycling an accessible option for a wide range of people, further contributing to its appeal. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The process of upcycling wooden furniture can also serve as a therapeutic outlet. Many individuals find satisfaction in the hands-on nature of transforming a piece, allowing them to focus their energy and creativity on a tangible project. The act of sanding, painting, or building can be meditative, offering a break from the fast-paced nature of modern life. This therapeutic quality can enhance mental well-being, providing a sense of accomplishment and purpose as the project progresses. As each transformation unfolds, the anticipation of the finished product adds excitement and joy to the process. Furthermore, the stories behind upcycled pieces often resonate deeply with their owners. Each item carries a history, whether it was inherited from a family member, found at a flea market, or salvaged from a previous project. This connection adds emotional value to the furniture, making it more than just a functional item but a cherished part of the home. Upcycled pieces often become conversation starters, inviting guests to learn about their origins and the creative journey that brought them to life. This storytelling aspect enhances the overall atmosphere of a home, creating a sense of warmth and familiarity. As the trend of upcycling continues to gain momentum, various resources and communities have emerged to support individuals on their journeys. Online platforms, blogs, and tutorials provide inspiration and guidance for those looking to embark on their upcycling projects. From beginner-friendly tips to advanced techniques, these resources cater to a wide range of skill levels, ensuring that everyone can find their place in the upcycling movement. This accessibility empowers individuals to take on projects with confidence, knowing that they have a wealth of information at their fingertips. Additionally, workshops and local classes offer hands-on experience for those eager to learn new skills. These environments foster creativity and collaboration, enabling participants to share ideas and techniques while working on their projects. The social aspect of these gatherings enhances the experience, as individuals bond over their shared passion for upcycling and sustainable living. This community-driven approach not only nurtures creativity, but also reinforces the idea that upcycling is a journey best enjoyed together. Ultimately, upcycling wooden furniture is not simply a trend. It represents a shift in how we approach home decor and consumption. By embracing the potential of old pieces, individuals can create beautiful, functional items that tell a story and reflect their values. The combination of creativity, sustainability, and personal expression makes upcycling an appealing venture for anyone looking to enhance their living spaces while making a positive impact on the environment. The allure of transforming unwanted furniture into eco-chic masterpieces lies in the joy of discovery and the satisfaction of craftsmanship. Each project becomes an opportunity to explore one's creativity, connect with a community, and contribute to a more sustainable future. As more people recognize the value of upcycling, the movement continues to thrive, inviting everyone to join in the celebration of resourcefulness, beauty, and individuality in home decor. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked eco-chic wooden furniture design ideas for your home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, Stay safe and stay blessed.